welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I will be showing you how to record your voice just like I'm recording my voice on iPhone, okay, provided you are using iPhone. So most people complain about not being able to record their voices using what iPhone, okay. So this video will teach you how to record your voice using the iPhone, okay. So in case you like this video and then it becomes helpful to you, it will definitely become helpful to you, okay. So I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification, and then so that you don't miss out on newly or future videos, okay. Right, so without further much ado, let's dive right into knowing how to turn on your or record your own voice on your iPhone. So most of the time, most people record screens, okay. They record their screens on their iPhones, okay. They don't know how to record their voices on the iPhone, okay. So irrespective of where you are watching this video from, you get to know how to record your voice, okay, on your iPhone, irrespective of the iPhone brand, okay. So now, in order to first know how to turn on your screen recording, you need to go to settings, okay. Let's go to settings, and then when you go to settings, you just have to look for control center, okay. Control center. When you click on control center, you'll be given the option to turn on your screen recording. So from here you can notice that we have our screen recording already turned on, okay. That's here. You can notice that this is our screen recording. So we've already added that to the control center, okay. That's very good. So after doing that, now let's check something out. So we already have our screen recording. So from here you can notice that we are already recording this video, okay. So in order to do that, you just have to turn on your screen recording. Just add that to your control center, because when we click on this negative sign, okay, this negative sign over here, it will be removed from our control center, okay, and we don't want to do that. So all you have to do is just add that to the control center, and then you are good to go. Now in order to add your voice to your screen recording, this is all you have to do. Just go to your control center, okay, scroll to the control center, hold the control center, okay, hold it, and then this pop-up will appear, okay. So it's saying that everything on this, okay, everything on this screen, okay, meaning that everything on your screen, including notification, will be recorded, okay. So enable do not disturb to prevent unexpected notification. So in case you are doing your recording and you don't want any interference, all you have to do is just click on the do not disturb button, okay. So from here you can notice that you have other apps open over here. So in order to record your voice, all you have to do is just come here. So you can notice that we have a microphone turned on, okay. Since this microphone is turned on, it means that you could record your voice. So initially, if in case you cannot record your voice, so after let's say after clicking on the control center, you can notice that it will start recording with this red beeping coming, okay. You could see this red beeping sign, okay, just repeating itself, meaning that it's recording, okay. So in order to turn on your microphone, just long press on that. It will pop up this menu, and then you click on microphone on. So initially, in case you don't have your microphone on, this will be off, okay. This will be off. So once you click on the microphone on, your microphone will be turned on, and then you could record your voice over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If in case it did, just leave us a like in the comment section. Just leave us a like, and then share your thoughts with us in the comment section. Just maybe share your appreciation with us in the comment section, and then we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.